It's not your resources that are holding you back, it's how resourceful you can be. I'm here on Morton Island off of the coast of Brisbane, Australia, with a really important and impactful message. And it's this: simply, we as humans have exactly everything we need to accomplish and achieve whatever we have in our minds. There are only limitations. Those are in our minds. Those limitations hold us back. Those hurdles hold us from what we want to achieve. On this island, they only have a limited amount of resources. So what do? They have boats, yachts, and ferries that ship people and resources every single day back and forth from the island to the mainland. We can do that in our lives, even though we may not have the money or we may not have the time. Both of those are lies. The money is there and the time is there. Never tell yourself you don't have enough, because you do. We just have to figure out how to get it. Thanks for watching. You absolutely rock. And until next time, love, live, learn. Bye.